You're watching part 11 in a series of videos on Just Bought a Townhouse. In my opinion, we'd like your comments, but I think we've turned the corner around this and starting to head towards the end. Let me know what you think with your comments below. Well, in my opinion, at least in the kitchen. For the lower cabinets, we used Beyond Paint all-in-one paint application. The bottom cabinets were painted blue and the top cabinets painted white, as you see here. The blue paint, we only used 2 coats on the golden oak. However, for the white application, which were the top cabinet doors and boxes, we ended up putting 3 coats on the outside and just 2 coats on the inside. So you can see that there was still some, I would have said bleed through, but you can see the graininess of the cabinet doors on the inside. The outside came out pretty well. A little bit later on the video, you see once the cabinet doors are installed, there's a little bit of reflection, and that's coming from the light, which is like a prism light, which is showing shadows on them. But it's a nice solid white as the top cabinets turned out, and the blue ones are definitely real nice deep blue.
butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.